iPhone screen recording is perfect for tutorials, gaming, or sharing issues. If it's not working on iOS 26, don't worry, here are easy fixes to get it back. Part 1. Why is screen recording not working on my iPhone? Reasons iPhone screen recording may fail: restrictions in settings, low storage or battery, conflicting apps, copyright protected content. Part 2. How to fix iPhone screen recording not working issue. Fix 1. Add screen recording to the control center. Open Settings and tap on Control Center. Scroll down and find screen recording, then tap the plus to add it. Now, you can easily access screen recording directly from the control center. Fix 2. Restart and reset your iPhone. Force restart iPhone. iPhone 8 and newer. Volume up, volume down, hold side until Apple logo. iPhone 7/7 Plus. Hold side plus volume down until Apple logo. iPhone 6/6s and earlier. Hold home plus side until Apple logo. Fix 3. Check restrictions and re-enable screen recording. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content, and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on Content Restrictions and ensure that screen recording is allowed. In the Game Center section. Fix 4. Update iOS to the latest version. To see if there's an update available, head to Settings, General Software Update. If an update is ready, just follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Fix 5. Turn off low power mode. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Battery. Find the low power mode option and toggle it off. Fix 6. Check your iPhone storage space. To see if your iPhone or iPad is running out of storage, go to Settings, General, iPhone iPad Storage. At the top of the screen, you'll see how much free space is left. If you're running low, there are several ways to free up storage on your iPhone. Fix 7. Reset all settings. If nothing else works, sometimes the best option is to start fresh. Resetting your iPhone to its original settings can help, but be aware that it will erase your data, so make sure to back up your device before proceeding. Fix 8. Enable the microphone. Swipe open the control center and tap the screen recorder. Press and hold the screen recorder icon until the settings appear. Ensure the microphone on option is selected. Part 3. One-stop solutions to fix iPhone screen recording not working. If your iPhone screen is still not responding properly after trying the previous solutions, the issue might be related to the system itself. In that case, you might want to try iOS System Recovery. How to fix screen recording not working on iPhone, iPad. Step 1. First, download and install the iOS System Recovery tool on your computer. Once it's installed, launch the program and select iOS System Recovery to begin. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Hit Start on the main screen to proceed. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode and click Confirm. This option will fix your issues without deleting any data. Step 4. Make sure your iPhone's details like model and iOS version are correct. Once everything looks good, click Repair. The tool will download the necessary firmware to fix any system problems affecting your iPhone's screen recording feature.